Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your photo using Snapseed application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, I'm going to open my Snapseed application. And here I have prepared my photo. For example, I'm going to remove this object from my photo. And if we want to remove the unwanted object, we can go to the tools option. And here we have a couple of options guys. And if we want to remove unwanted object, we can choose the healing tool. Okay, and you can select the object you want to remove. You can draw on the object you want to remove like this. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on the check mark, and then as you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my photo. And then we just need to export this photo to save it to our device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using Snapseed application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.